So I was watching a recent video by SVT Garage, I'll put a link in the description, talking about these Terminator engines and how they have decals right there. This actually says, should be 39 for 2004. And then just looking, I can see that other decal right there. You should check out his video talking about that Mr. Chrome Cobra. There's a lot of great information that was actually given by, his name is Tyler. I think his name is Cobra 281. He's out of Cobra, but pretty cool. They learn new things about these every day, and kind of cool that mine is in such good shape and still has those decals on it. It's just so crazy that these cars came out now 21 years ago. This car is 20 years old, and there's just so much cool stuff that's on them. Things I don't even know. Like I said, I like to keep this thing mostly original. I mean, it is modified, but I like to keep it kind of period correct. So pretty cool. If you know anything about that right there, it says A through H, and then I guess I through P. If you know what it is, I can't really see what it is unless I remove the power steering reservoir. Like I said, I believe that says 39 for 04. I believe in his video he said 38 for 03. So if you know what that is, do me a favor, hit a comment down below. Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.